What's up, foodie gang? We're back with another fun, easy recipe. Seafood yellow rice. Man, this is so good. While I pour this wine, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and let's get into this recipe. But let me show you something. We got some sausage, we got the shrimp, the yellow rice. Whew, man, I'm ready to eat. These are most of the ingredients you're going to need. Don't worry, I got everything listed in the description for you guys. Follow those instructions. You know I got you. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, we're going to go ahead and get our shrimp marinated with some good Old Bay seasoning or Old Bay rub. We're going to stir to combine, set it aside while we do everything else, okay? Alright, so you're going to heat up a nice saucepan, a deep saucepan, and we're going to go ahead and saute these sausage, and I use about a half of a sausage link, and we're going to get a nice color on that. And you see that? Man, we're not going to do anything with the pot. We're not going to clean it or anything. So we're going to remove this from the pot once it's done, once you get that nice color on there. And then once that's done, what we do, we're going to add our veggies. So we're going to start off with our onion. The onion's going to soak up that fat and all that good stuff at the bottom of the pan. Then we have our minced garlic. We're going to make sure we get every nook and cranny out there. We don't waste no food over here. You know what I'm about. Our green peppers, you're going to go ahead and add that as well. And then you're going to go ahead and add the red pepper. So those are our veggies that we're going to go ahead and add. We're going to stir to combine, and we're going to make sure everything is combined nice and good, so that way we can add the other ingredients to this. Slap your mama, that good old Cajun seasoning, and go ahead and add the seasoning to that. You have to season your veggies. Very important. Can't miss that step. Old Bay Seasoning, you need it for seafood, right? This is a seafood dish. So go ahead and add that. And then one of the main ingredients, the rice. So you want to go ahead and add this to the pot. And you want to stir to combine everything. So at this point, you want to stir to combine. You're not going to add no water or anything to it. You're going to stir to combine to toast the rice. So make sure we get a nice color on that rice. And the key ingredient, turmeric. I guess that's how you pronounce it, right? That's going to give it that yellow flavor, well, the yellow color, and also that flavor to make the yellow rice. So you're going to stir to combine. As you can see right in front of your eyes, the color is yellow. We're going to add our chicken stock, and I'm using about 3 cups of chicken stock, and we're going to go ahead and stir it as we go along. You know, I make sure we get everything in there. Go ahead and stir it. You're going to let it come to a nice boil for a little bit so we can get that rice cooked. Alright, so after it comes to a boil midway through, you do want to go ahead and add the sausage. Yes, go ahead and add that sausage in there. Let all that flavor build up while we are letting the rice simmer. I hit it with some good old onion powder and garlic powder to take it up a notch. And again, your preference, have fun with it. You know, use your preference of what you want in there. Have fun with it. Stir it, make sure everything looks good. And then at that point, you're going to leave it alone. Don't touch it. Let it simmer for 20 minutes. Let that rice get done. And while that's simmering for 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and get our shrimp. You see, you almost forgot about it. And then we're going to go ahead and saute that shrimp, and we're going to make sure that we get a nice color on that shrimp. 2 to 3 minutes each side. Add some butter to that pan. And in the beginning, I had olive oil in there, so don't forget that. So olive oil and butter in the pan, get that shrimp nice and cooked. And then we move to the mussels. Yes, the mussels. I got this from Aldi, freezer section, inexpensive. Throw it in a microwave or a saucepan. I use the saucepan, as you can see. And bam, easy. We don't got time to be in the kitchen all day. So look, this is about making it easy and fun. So we got our rice done. We add our shrimp. And remember, you do the shrimp last. Don't do the shrimp first. Do the shrimp last. And then look at that rice, how fluffy it is. And let's plate this up so I can show you guys how everything looks. Look at that. The rice is nice and fluffy, soft. We have our shrimp, our sausage, our mussels. Man, I'm ready to dive in. Taste test. Oh my goodness. Man, sometimes I gotta shake my head at myself because I be doing it in the kitchen. Well, at least, you know, I try. Man, it warms my heart. It's amazing. It tastes pretty good. You know, wash it down with some wine. Thanks for watching. Kisses to the chef. Look, I'm about to go eat this up. Y'all have fun. And look, catch me on the next one.